The farming community in Manipur has borne the brunt of ethnic clashes between the Meitei and Kuki communities which erupted on May 3, 2023. The violence has left thousands of hectares of once fertile farmland uncultivated, triggering a deepening agrarian crisis and threatening the livelihoods of countless rural families who depend on agriculture for survival. We travel to Sabungkhop Khunu village, located on the fringes of Imphal East district, to witness the impact firsthand. Here, farmers like Thongjom Rojit face a daily struggle to make ends meet. His 4.3-acre farmland, once lush and productive, now lies fallow, overgrown with weeds and untouched for more than a year. The fields, which once fed families and sustained livelihoods, now stand as silent witnesses to the disruption and uncertainty that the ongoing conflict has brought to rural Manipur.
Hojikse aigi onadi isagi lofam uba yadramina migi lo uraga apang thawuk suraga hing dabadi yadamina thabak apang suraga lejare hatare aina hajaning badi hojik sarkar gi maikaidagi amtang la yengbiraga akogi uba yad leriba lofam asi amtang yengbiraga piba ya mateng do sakana pihaning mi aina hajaning.
Rojit is far from alone in his struggle. Across Manipur, hundreds of farmers are confronting the same grim reality. Fertile fields lying fallow, livelihoods disrupted, and uncertainty clouding their future.
Migi lo kharakum adegidi akhoi uba yadramni migi kumba chatpa adegidi apa phang thabak sura dum laijari akhoi gi lokpham uhonba yaba adu tang haijani.
Official data reveals that nearly 5,127 hectares of agricultural land have remained uncultivated or barren since the outbreak of violence over 2 years ago.
This is going to have immense, a long-term economic crisis is going to be there. Now, what will these people do? They will cut down their consumption. They will cut down their expenses on health and education. They will mortgage out or sell out their movable and even immovable assets. And if these issues are not addressed in the medium term, in the long term, their human resources is going to be in deep crisis. It's going to be depleted.
The prolonged violence, displacement, and denial of access to their own fields have triggered a silent agrarian crisis in Manipur, threatening food security, destabilizing incomes, and undermining the very foundations of the rural economy. Farmers continue to yearn for the day they can return to the fields that once sustained both their families and their communities.